Hi, my name is Daniel. And I am going to tell what you need to know before buying the Max Woodworking Plans. For more details and information, the link of the official website is in the description below. There's something you must know about woodworking projects. You don't have to be a professional builder to build an amazing patio, deck, picnic table, small building, or revitalize your home with a sleek new design. In fact, you don't even have to know anything about woodworking or building. It's a plus if you do, but with the development of technology and new ways of doing things, it's now easier than ever to walk in as a complete newbie and finish a project that looks like a woodworking pro did it from top to bottom. The good news for you today is that with this new, comprehensive package that was developed, the Max Woodworking Plans, you'll be able to build the perfect product, quickly and easily. It doesn't matter if you've never built anything in your life. With this woodworking plans, you never have to deal with incomplete diagrams or blueprints. You never have to waste time and money in DIY stores. You never have to postpone a project. You'll have a full range of projects from clocks to stables to choose from. You will save hundreds of dollars. Your skill level or experience doesn't matter. Detailed and step-by-step diagrams are provided. You will build your project without headaches with step-by-step instructions, easy to follow through detailed plans and blueprints. You risk absolutely nothing by trying Max Woodworking Plans. That's right, just for trying you will have today your small investment protected for 60 days. Even if it's on the 59th day of the guarantee, if for whatever reason you feel Max's woodworking plans were not helpful in any way, all you have to do is send a message and you will be refunded 100% of your money. No questions asked. If you are interested in getting access to thousands of plans and woodworking package to fulfill your plans and projects, the link of the official website is in the description. Thanks for watching.